trying to use it with a battery to fry the traces. Why, can you explain why would the battery fry the traces?
Actually, what happened is we had two boards for our system. The first was a Pro PC board, but I think we accidentally short-circuited the first board. And then we short, but then we tested the same board twice, and it worked for 5 minutes, and then it fries again. We just don't want to have we had a second board ready. We just don't want to plug it in just in case all miscalculated that caused a problem. But from my perspective, I think it's perfectly fine. But you know, sounds good to me.
We're erring on the side of caution rather than destroying another PCB board.
After the project's over, you can install the battery.
Yeah.
My brain doesn't matter.
But, sorry, is it a bad design? Is there something shorted, or is it just that when all 8 motors are running?
It wasn't
all 8 batteries running.
Yeah, we want to keep the one at the same time.
Yeah, we run our motors in serial, not parallel, so we're never drawing current from all motors at once. It's only one motor at a time.
I mean, on max, I think you use like 0.5 amps.
Yeah. At most, we use about 500 milliamps for the processor, the display, the motor, just running, all of our IC chips, and it's.
So that's got to be some sort of a short.
Yeah, we had an accidental short on
Yeah.
the board somewhere. We couldn't find it, but we did see a lot of smoke, and we did see fried traces.
Imagine it was like when you're talking about debris on the table.
Yeah, that's what like
I saw your face.
What was left of it?
So rather than risk it, we decided to just opt for the wall work for now. And we have the battery, we have the charger, we have everything. All we really have to do is plug it in to see if it works. But erring on the side of caution, we decided not to.
I think, well, we have one more question here.
Okay, so in case of a temporary power outage, is it going to memorize its previous state? And
that's the reason for battery, but since we can't test, in this case, there's no way we can rent it. But if the battery, that was the intention of it.
I mean, our microcontroller has flash memory, so the schedule can be saved to flash, and then when it starts up again, it runs the same programming routine. So it'll load the schedule from the flash and operate with the same previous schedule.
all right, so it's the schedule and also the number of pills that's been dispensed just now and haven't been allowed yet. Or maybe that's the thing.
Well, if it goes down and comes back on during a window for a previous time, then the alarm will go off when power is restored. So you should still be able to get pills that are still within their windows, but if it's passed, then it's passed and you can't really get back to it.
Let's thank our team.